In this video, I'll cover how to get a student discount for Apple apps such as Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Motion. So here on Google, I just Googled student discount for Final Cut Pro, and I'm going to click on this first link that says Buy Pro Apps Bundle for Education. And this is going to bring us to the Apple Education Store, which gives student discounts on software and Apple hardware as well. So we can see on this page that for $200, we're getting these 5 apps, including Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Motion, Compressor, and MainStage. $200 is a pretty significant deal for these apps. If you were to buy them individually without this student discount, you would be paying hundreds of more dollars. I'm also going to include a link to this page in the description so that you can get straight to this page. So from here, you can then check out with Apple Pay or add to bag and check out later. You should keep in mind that you're going to need a legitimate student email at some point, and there's really no way around that. So once you check out with Apple Pay or your other method, Apple is then going to email you the codes for these apps. And once you get that email, you can then go to the Mac App Store and then click on your profile in the bottom left. And then in the top right of the account page, you can click on the Redeem Gift Card button and you can type in those codes to get those apps.